Hey, what's up everyone? A0 here. Got the Apple Watch Series 9 in today. Let's unbox it. Okay, this is the latest and greatest of the Apple Watch series. I also have the Ultra models, which become a premium for Apple Watches. I just got the Series S. That works for me. There we go. Apple Watch. So I got the aluminum color. That's my natural titanium. Apple Watch, or excuse me, Apple iPhone Pro Max. That looks kind of cool. There's the case. And from the two separate boxes, one with the watch itself and one with the band. So the band first. Really soft. See, it shows how to attach the band here. So the instructions are just kind of printed down the side. What kind of material this is? Carbon neutral. Sport loop. It just shows carbon neutral. Going through like the fine woven stuff, or like they're doing with the Apple cases, but it feels pretty nice in the hand. Here's the main part of the Apple Watch. Has two pull tabs on the sides here. Up on the right there, but first I'm gonna check this out. USB-C charge connector for the back of the Apple Watch. And it's braided this time. I don't know if you can see that. All the cables braided now from the Mac down to the iPhones down to the Apple Watch. I like it. So much better than the old cables. Yeah. The cable seems to be a decent length too, at least like 6 foot. That's nice. Apple Watch itself. Here. Go. So like not the biggest fan of the design, to being square shaped. I do like the design of the Galaxy watches better myself. As far as the design, it's circular, but hopefully it'll grow on me as I'm Leaving my switch to Apple now. It's the last piece of ecosystem I don't have currently. I had the Series 7 before, but I sold that. I went with the Galaxy Watch Classic 4. If you haven't seen that, you can check out that video on my page. It's one of the videos I did. And I preferred the Galaxy Watch, so I'm looking forward to seeing the improvements on this compared to the Series 7. And if they made it a little better with some of the updates, because a lot of people say the reason they stick to Apple is because this product. They really like the watch compared to other brands' watches. Never tried Google's, but I really like the Galaxy Watch Classic 4 from the design. The rotating bezel is really helpful for me getting around the watch, things of that nature. Again, you can check out the video for my full review of that, kind of comparison between the Apple Watch and that. That was the Series 7 watch, this is the Series 9. So 2 generations later, let's see if I like it more. And can play around with some of the features more and things of that nature as I connect it to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Once I get it all set up, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Catch you in that next video.